so I'm gonna make myself a Mocha Ninjaccino from, oh, that's how you say it, from the Ninja. We have that one. So right now I have the coffee going, and that you have to press this one, specialty brew. And then what else do we need? We need 3 cups. I'm gonna get this. We have ice, and then we need milk. Okay, I'm back. So this is the type of milk that we use. So we're going to be using this Nesquik syrup. And then I don't have any whipped cream or garnish, so I'm going to skip that. And after the coffee is ready, we're going to blend it together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that everything's here, I'm going to add, it says to add the ice into the cup. Okay. Whoops. And then I'm just going to add the coffee, like probably there. And then it says to add the milk, 1/4 cup milk. Okay, so that's 1/4 of milk. I know. Oops. I'm making a mess. Okay. So poured it. And it says to add this syrup also, so we're gonna add this syrup. Girl, this is a lot of syrup, but this better be good. Add it there. Over here in this Ninja. Done. Okay, so this is the coffee that I made. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god, this is so good. So I really hope you guys enjoy this Mocha Ninjaccino or something like that. So this is super easy to make, and if you guys have a Ninja at your house or something, I recommend you do it because this is so good. So it was a quick, easy video. Hope you guys like it. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.